Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recolor your images on Google Slides. So I have these two images here just to compare and contrast a little bit. So for this one, if you select format options and select recolor, it kind of just gives like a filter. It does recolor it a little bit, but like it just looks like you're giving it a filter. And then on the other one, you can basically change the actual color of it. Let me just change the background color for a moment so you can see it a little bit better. As you can see, it changes the color completely. You just have a lot of options you can choose from as well. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!